Adverse possession is the right of squatters. Squatters, they also have a right in Kenyan law, and this right mandates any person, whether by the permission, any person who occupies land for a duration of around 12 years and above, to move the court. If you have occupied the land uninterruptedly, that means that the owner of the land, you went somewhere and occupied the land without any interruption from the owner of the land. A month ago, so we were seeking for some orders, amongst those orders being that any development from the people who have been sued in this matter, these are around 8 respondents, to be stopped from either claiming the possession of that land, or number 2, from doing any development pending the case which is in court, where the plaintiff have moved the court seeking to claim the ownership of that land.